Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to concentrate on this one. Now we need to use about integration by pass. So I will put about u equals to s. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. dv that is about cosine x ds over sine x squared plus 1. Now we need to find the integration of this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x ds. This one we change by u, and we have u squared. So cosine x ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have arctan of u, and I will put about c. About u that is about sine x. So the integration of this one, we have v equal to arctan of sine x. And now we have this one. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration arctan of sine x ds. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So this one and this one, they cancel. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.